Back, I found something very good right now. I found that these guys are doing biomedical monitoring. We'll see in the app. We'll see, open the app. It's Ramble. Okay, so let's see. Today I scanned it. See, here is this. Okay, now come this time. Then here I get it. Okay, this is heart rate sensor. Okay, we'll put this. Okay, we'll search for it. The heart rate, how many heart rate sensors BLE devices we have detected. Okay, see, here comes. Today they found out. We'll just map those listed devices because they've been following. See, these people use it everywhere. Here is my shop. This is my place. I stay here, and see, here one is here. Here is my house. Here is my house, and here another one. See, now let's search this MAC address. What does this device actually do? Let's see what does this device actually do. Okay, so the MAC address is 01343. Let's search the MAC address. Okay, MAC address. So I've already put it. I've already entered the address. Now let's see what comes. Okay, this belongs to Master Visa Electronic Components. We'll note this down, and I did a search on them. Okay, Master Electronic Components heart rate. Then I came on this page. Now let's see what this mentions. Bringing healthcare home. The radar health monitor that Kyoto University Center of Innovation and Panasonic developed a major upgrade. Let's see. Okay, so this device was developed last year to provide wireless measurement of vital signals such as respiration and heartbeat, and has been downsized and further advanced improvements. So this is and uses a wider 79 GHz frequency band. Improve measurement sensitivity by integrating CMOS semiconductors into a single chip for millimeter wave radar. Increase sensitivity with finer resolution in the distance, direction of the measurement range, and precise separation of noise that would otherwise. So this device works in 79 GHz. 79 GHz it works in the millimeter frequency range, and it can record your signals even without being worn on you. It can monitor your heart rate remotely from a distance. So this was done by the Kyoto and Osaka, Japan. Panasonic Corporation developed a radar-based device that could instantaneously and accurately measure the body's vital signal, and now they have made it even better. The sensor with a signal analyzes algorithm to measure how the body moves. So the software filters isolate just the heart minute motions, measuring respiration and heart rate without attaching cumbersome wires to the body will greatly benefit modern medicine and modern healthcare. Kyoto University. It will reduce stress by not subjecting the individual to feeling being monitored. So this is how it is working. Receiving antenna, transmitting antenna, extract the biological information, limit the measuring range, extract the heart signal rate, analyze heart rate signals, estimate inner beat intervals, and then process it, and you get it. So the major problem here was the size. So they have mentioned the size was like a microwave oven, but now they have advanced and filtered it, refined the device. After extensive testing, we have achieved great improvements. Continue Sato. The device now utilizes 79 GHz millimeter range instead of previous 60 GHz. We also incorporated CMOS semiconductor. As a result, range and resolution is improved, and it's now only about 10th the size as big as smoke detector. Because of the new frequency band, the sensors can now measure the heart rate of multiple individuals in the same room. Separated as little as 7.5 centimeters, 3 inches. Okay, of several people can be multinously measured in real time. The team hopes that the measure improvements specs will allow such sensors to install a variety of household appliances such as lighting to safely monitor and vital safety. It's great promise for the future development of monitor. Okay, now let's see what is the size of a smoke detector. So the smoke detector is as small as this. So a device as small as this. So these people are doing biomedical monitoring without people's consent. They are doing research, experimentation of people developing healthcare products for medicine, developing medicine. So devices as small as this is such a big crime actually. So these guys are doing biomedical monitoring. So this is clear evidence. Now nothing needs to be said. We have found out the device, we have found out the MAC address, we have located the device actually, we have found out what the device does, and we have also found out the capabilities of the device. It can measure the heart rate without multiple people. Heart rates can be monitored without even contacting or being in touch with them. It can be remotely as far as 10 to 20 feet. So this is clear evidence, guys. And once again, let me show it to you. I have filtered out all these devices. See, all these are same company. TVS belongs to Matsuhisa. Matsuhisa is actually a Panasonic. Panasonic belongs. It's a parent company of Panasonic. Okay, so all these devices, all these are heart rate devices. Let's map them out. Okay, see, they have been following me everywhere. I think not. It's not only me. There are multiple people are under this. They are doing this to multiple people. It's not just me. See, heart rate sensor, heart rate sensor, heart rate sensor, heart rate generic device, heart rate generic device, heart rate generic device, heart rate device. Same TVS, Panasonic. This is different one, but this is the same thing. Heart rate, same technology used, same. So guys, this is very something big we have found out. Thanks for watching my video, and do try it on yourself.